After a day at the river, nothing beats fresh trout for dinner. But if you're looking for something different from the usual grilled or baked fish, I've got an incredible recipe for you: sangria smoked trout. It takes a little more time, but it's well worth the effort. You'll need 3 to 4 trout in the pound to pound and a half range. You can leave the heads on or remove them according to your preference. First, we'll make the brine. Combine water, brown sugar, rock salt, and table salt, and mix well. Add your favorite seasonings such as curry, tarragon, lemon peel, and garlic. Don't worry about the rock salt not dissolving. Put the brine in a container, completely immersing the trout, seal, and chill overnight. Before smoking, thoroughly rinse the brine from the trout and allow the fish to air dry. Preheat the smoker with a low-heat charcoal fire for 30 to 45 minutes before adding the fish. Pour sangria into the water pan and finish filling it with water. Add more of your favorite seasonings. Place the trout on the grill and cover. Maintain a low-heat fire, but periodically add wood chunks to keep the smoker smoking. After 5 to 6 hours of smoking, brush the exposed side of the fish with a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, and garlic salt. Top with lemon slices and recover until they're done. Allow 6 to 7 hours total cooking time. This recipe takes a lot of time to cook, but it's very easy to prepare, and you can cook up to 8 trout by adjusting the ingredients a little.